Today I'm going to show you how to play a simplified version of Yiruma's River Flows in You on the piano. This version is super easy and simple, so if you're a beginner at the piano, this is going to be perfect for you. If you're new here, my name's Brianne and I teach beginners how to play songs that they love on the piano through reading sheet music. If that's you, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you follow along. For today's tutorial of River Flows in You, I'm going to be showing you how to play it off of the sheet music. So you'll see my hands at the piano, then you'll see the sheet music right above it. I'll walk you through exactly what you're supposed to read and play on the piano. If you're not sure how to read sheet music or you're new to reading sheet music, I'd love to show you my quick and easy formula that will get you reading sheet music 5 times faster. If you're interested in checking out the formula that I use, you can download it for free down below. And if you want your own copy of the sheet music that we're going to be working off of today, you can also download that down below. Okay, let's get started with this super simple, easy version of River Flows in You on the piano. Okay, so we're going to go through the song line by line, starting with just our right hand, so just the top portion there in the treble clef, and then just our left hand, so then just our bass clef. So let's start with the treble clef portion. Our right hand is going to start with finger number 5 on C. So here's middle C, so it's the C that's above middle C. Finger 5's up there. We are in 4/4 timing, so there's going to be 4 beats in each measure. I'm going to be counting and playing the notes at the same time. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your right hand for the first line. Left hand is going to be starting finger 3 on A. So here's middle C. It's the A that's below middle C. And you'll notice that we have some tied notes there, some whole notes. So each of the whole notes are worth 4 beats. So 2 whole notes together are going to be worth 8 beats. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest 2, 3, 4. Rest 2. And then for the last 2 beats of the line, left hand's going to come up with finger number 2 playing middle C. Finger number 1 is going to go up to the E. Okay? So left hand's pretty easy, just the A, the F, and then the C, E. Okay? So let's try putting it together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the next line, it's exactly the same as the first line. So I'm just going to play it both hands together, counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, for the third line, I'm going to do just my right hand first. I'm going to start on C again. The rhythm is a little bit different. Watch out for your tied notes here where we're going to be holding on to them going into the next measure. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have finger number 3 on E, so we're going to cross over to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's right hand. Left hand is going to play the A again for 8 beats. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, right when our right hand moves our finger number 3 down to E, left hand is going to move pinky down to C. Okay, and we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, ending on G. So we kind of have a movement there with our left hand where we go from A to F, and then we move down C to G. Okay, so let's try putting this together. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the next line, right hand is going to play D. We're going to be starting on D, holding on to it. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Come right back in with middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's right hand. Left hand is going to place our thumb on B. This is the B that's right below middle C. So we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest, rest. Okay, so if you need to go back and try any of those hands again, right hand or left hand, you can do it, but I'm going to be going on and playing both hands together. So here we go. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for this last line, your right hand is going to play G, and you're gonna hold on to it for 6 beats. So we're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then left hand is going to move your pinky finger 5 all the way to C, and we're just gonna hold on to that for 6 beats. So we're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest, rest, and then G, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try putting that together. We're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as you become more comfortable playing this, you can speed it up. I was going nice and slow to show you which keys to play. As you become more comfortable, obviously you can speed it up.